Once you get to the elevators,
that's been done.
no one didn't. So
beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Welcome to the Hollywood Tower Hotel. The elevator will be dropping in shortly to take you to your rooms. I promise. When it does, you'll find your seatbelt on your left side and your left side only, going only from left to right. As we are buckling up, please make sure we do not have any items underneath our seatbelts. This includes bags and straps. The only thing underneath your seatbelt should be you. Please make sure we are storing or holding on to anything or anyone we may wish to keep. I'll be calling your row 631.
You are the passengers in a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of your imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator door.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and here's another video you might like.